In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change master password in 1password 2025, step by step. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and search for 1password. Make sure you're heading to the official site, and if you're using the web app, go directly to the sign-in page. It's always a good idea to double check the URL and use a trusted network when you're working with sensitive information. Next, log in with your account. Depending on how you've set things up, you may be asked for your email, your secret key, and your current master password, and you might also be prompted for two-factor authentication. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly. If you're on a shared computer, avoid saving your credentials in the browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile. This could be your name, initials, or an avatar icon. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, choose the option to manage your account. This will bring you to your account settings area where all security-related controls live. Inside account settings, find and select Change Password. This is where you'll update your master password, which safeguards your entire vault. The page will first ask for your current password. Enter it carefully. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Now it's time to choose your new master password. Aim for something long, unique, and memorable. Think a passphrase of several random words, ideally 16 characters or more. Avoid using personal details, common phrases, or anything you've reused on other accounts. If there's a strength meter, use it as a guide, but prioritize length and randomness. Make sure you can reliably remember it without writing it down in insecure places. After you've entered the new password, look for the button to change password and click it to confirm. You may see a brief processing message while 1password updates your encryption, and in some cases you might be asked to sign in again. That's normal. Keep in mind that you may need to re-authenticate on other devices, so plan a moment to update those sessions if you're signed in elsewhere. And that's it. You've successfully changed your master password. As a quick wrap-up, remember to keep this new password private, avoid storing it in unprotected notes, and consider updating your emergency backup information if you use one. Staying proactive with your master password is one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your digital life secure.